Hey guys, this is Lily and the Dorks, and as you know, I am in high school, and of course, every high schooler has to go through the torture of biology. So, this year, our biology teacher gave us the project of, right now we're going over cells and their organelles and stuff, so we could choose, do a skit, a song, this, that, and it all started out, we wanted to do a song with a music video. That way we wouldn't have to sing the song in front of the whole class and be like embarrassed and stuff like that. So that's how it started. Of course, I have 6 other friends in that class and they all wanted to be in on it. So I got it together, I talked to the teacher, I arranged it just perfectly, so we had a list of names of jobs and all kinds of stuff. Anyways, I did a lot with this. Like, you'll see in the credits, I did a lot on this. And I'm actually very proud of it. Yes, it's super cheesy. Yes, it's not the best film. But I worked... It was only a week I worked on it. And I only had, like, these mixed times. Like, 6 a.m. in the morning we filmed. And 4 to 6 at night. I mean, it was crazy. Like... we getting everything together, and yeah, so I'm really proud of it and I hope y'all enjoy. Bye guys.
I'm cell membrane, put those on, fill that out, and save all the questions for the boss.
Wait, no, why am I here? What is this place?
Put those on, fill that out, and save questions for the boss.
The boss isn't here. I want my questions answered.
No.
Hi, I'm CYTOPLASM. I'm here to escort you to the boss.
So you met Insane in the membrane back there?
Yeah, she's the cell guard. Keeps us in, lets garbage trucks out, the usual stuff.
Oh, well she seems crazy.
Don't be fooled, she has a lipid bilayer that gives her flexibility and strength. Plus, she can tell whether you're good, bad, useful, worthless. Apparently, you're needed. Anyway, we're almost to the boss's office. And meet Nucleolus.
Brain of the cell, the one who controls it all, the one who contains all our DNA. She has 2 membranes and a nucleolus, and contains all the coded instructions for making proteins.
Nice to meet you, I'm Nucleus, and welcome... Oh, there we are. Welcome to cell 4,603,845 septillion. It's a big number. And, yeah, I'm Nucleus. And it says here you're mitochondria?
Mitochondria.
Oh, right. I'm tired. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. It's been stressful. Where?
What are you looking for?
Who am I looking for?
Oh, who are you?
This guy here, he plays an important part. He joins amino acids in long chains. He performs protein synthesis. Oh. Found in the rough ER. It's a ribosome. Found in the cytoplasm. Small and numerous. He's the ribosome.
Would you like some protein?
Oh, no, thank you. Hi, Ribosome.
I was just looking for you. Here is the agenda for the day. Please get with RER and Golgi. Make sure everyone gets that. Okay, so now we're covered, so I can take you on a tour to meet your new cellmates.
What is this place?
Oh, this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Wait, we saw him.
He's a ribosome. They are the most numerous. They are literally everywhere. Ribosomes use coded instructions from the DNA
Which is in the nucleus.
to make proteins. The protein then leaves the ribosome and is inserted into the rough ER, where they will be chemically modified. Finally,
What?
we're in the smooth ER.
What's the difference between the smooth and the rough ER?
Well, for one, we don't have to worry about tripping over ribosomes, and this is also where we synthesize lipids for the cell membrane, and we detoxify drugs.
Wow.
Not that I don't love the ERs, but we're finally out. Now, where is...
Hey.
Yeah.
No more singing. I'm done with the music. Just tell me your name and what you do.
Oh, well, I'm Golgi apparatus. I modify, sort, and package the proteins from the rough ER. Then I send them around or out of the cell. I basically finish up protein synthesis.
The ribosome, rough ER, and the Golgi apparatus do the 3 parts necessary for protein synthesis.
Sorry, thank you so much. Continuing on, we're coming up to lysosome's area. She's in the bathroom. Keep up the good work, lysosome. Let's go. Lysosomes remove junk or waste.
Referred to as the sewage or garbage disposal.
Lysosomes break down lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins into smaller, more useful molecules. That's vesicle. He stores water, salts, proteins, and carbohydrates. At least that's what he says.
You may be thinking, no, that's the vacuole, but because we are in an animal cell, no vacuoles are found here. Now this brings up an interesting point, the different types of cells.
We have our eukaryotes and our prokaryotes. Eukaryotes are plant and animal cells, and prokaryotes are things like bacteria, like strep throat and stuff like that. And just a reminder to everyone that cells do not confine themselves to your social standards. They are not always circles and squares. Anyways, within our plant eukaryotes, we have vacuoles, which have turgor pressure. Turgor pressure is the pressure of water, and it makes the plants stand up and not wilt. Then we have our chloroplast and our chromoplast. Chloroplast is like little tiny solar panels inside the plant. It will take energy from the sun and it will convert it to be chemically used in the plants. Chromoplast does the same but in smaller amounts, and chromoplast provides the other colors such as yellows and oranges that we see in the fall. Then we have leucoplast, which is the white plastid that is the storage. And finally we have our cell wall, which is something you usually see more prominent, and it is the extra guard that helps make it more rigid. Then there are also, in the animal cell, there are things that are not in the plant cell. There are the lysosomes, which break down food, which we saw earlier, and there's the cilia, the philia, the flagella, and most of these things have to do with movement because animals move while plants don't. Last on our tour is cytoskeleton.
He doesn't look like he talks much.
He's a silent type. He helps us maintain shape and move. He's made of microfilaments and microtubules. The microfilaments help with the flexible framework, and the microtubules help with cell division. Both microfilaments and microtubules help us move.
This gel moves?
Well, yeah, because all of us cells have to work together. When we work together, we can make tissue. And when the tissue works together, we make some organs. And when the organs work together, we can make an organ system. And overall, it makes an organism. I noticed on your application that you don't have a job. Now that you've met everyone, do you think you know?
I have a few ideas.
Oh, so this is what you're doing?
Yeah, everyone just seemed a little tired, so I just thought I'd give them a little energy.
You know what this means?
Another song.
Yes.
Together, 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 everyone. Together, together, come on, let's have some fun. Together, together, for each other every time. Together, together, come on, let's do this right.
But little did they know, lysosome had broken, and the strong enzymes within her would soon bring apoptosis.
Or death. But for now, let's continue the fun.
All in this together. Once we know that we are little stars, and we see that we're all in this together, and it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true. Together, together, everyone. Together, together, come on, let's have some fun. Together, together, for each other every time. Together, together, come on, let's do this right. All in this together. Once we know that we are little stars, and we see that we're all in this together, and it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true.
One, two. What are you doing?
That was the worst one!
1, 2. Ready. 1, 2. Ready.
What am I supposed to do now?
We're supposed to fill it primitive.
The boss isn't here. I want my answer. I mean,
No!
Don't be fooled. She has a lip.
Stand, my
I'm
atheist
probably just in
bearer
the
of Christ.
background laughing a lot.
Play button has been pushed.
Why would you use that voice? Thank you. I'm sorry. It's been stressful.
That was actually perfect. Just saying because she's tired. That was just perfect. That was so.
Who are you? I feel like that whole scene was terrible.
I'm gonna fall all over you, boy.
What are you looking for?
Who am I looking
Guys, stop. Ugh.
Did they enlist you there, Cameron?
Lysosomes use. Start over.